Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of grilling with a focus on the PK360 grill cover, touted as the best in its class. Let's find out what makes this cover stand out from the rest. The PK360 grill cover is not just any ordinary grill cover, it's a game-changer for grill enthusiasts. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this cover is designed to fit the PK360 grill and smoker perfectly, offering unparalleled protection from the elements. Made from a specially designed fabric, this cover is resistant to water and moisture damage, ensuring that your PK grill stays in prime condition for years to come. Whether it's rain, snow, or intense sunlight, this cover has you covered. What's more, the slim and sleek design of this cover not only provides exceptional protection but also complements the handsome design of your PK grill. Plus, with its snap closure type, securing your grill has never been easier. Investing in the PK360 grill cover is an investment in the longevity and performance of your PK grill. By keeping it protected and looking its best, you can ensure that it's always ready to deliver mouth-watering results whenever you fire it up. So there you have it, folks, the PK360 grill cover, the best companion for your PK grill. Don't settle for anything less when it comes to protecting your investment. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best. Until next time, happy grilling!